Oh my God, I'm gonna try it.
Anthony, no! You can't do it right now.
Ah! Oh my God!
Hold on.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Anthony!
Oh my God! I hit my head.
What happened?
I don't know. I couldn't run through the fence.
Why?
Here, I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna show you what happened.
Okay.
Slow motion.
Okay.
You see I'm running here?
All right.
Good. Here's gonna sit, and all of a sudden, that happened.
Well,
I don't know what went wrong. Let me try it again. Drop me down, Nathan.
okay.
3,
2, 1. Are you okay?
No.
Well,
Yes.
you just don't know how to do it.